In this video, I will explain RAG. RAG stands for Retrieval-Augmented Generation. AI can answer many questions, write content, and also help to solve problems. Limitation of AI. An AI model only knows the information that was available during the training. New information, company documents, private files, or recently updated data may not be available. This problem is solved using RAG. What is RAG? RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. The name can be understood in two parts. Retrieval means finding information. Generation means creating an answer. RAG allows AI system to first find the information and then generate an answer using that information. Simple definition. RAG is a method that allows AI to search for the relevant information before answering a question. Now we will see the real life example. First, let us look at student without books. The student answer questions only from memory. Sometimes the answers are correct. Sometimes important details are forgotten. Imagine another student with books. The student first opens the textbook. The student reads the relevant chapter. The student writes the answer. The second student usually gives more accurate answers. In this example, student represents AI model, book represents external knowledge, reading the book first before answering represents RAG. Why RAG is needed? AI models cannot continuously learn every new piece of information. For example, company policies change, product prices change, documents are updated, new regulations appear. Without RAG, the AI may provide outdated information. With RAG, the AI can search the latest information before answering. Now we will see how RAG works. Step 1. User asks a question. For example, what is our company's leave policy? Step 2. Search for information. The system searches different information sources. For example, documents, databases, knowledge bases, and company files. Step 3. Retrieve relevant information. The system selects only the information related to the question. For example, employees receive 20 annual leave days. Step 4. Generate the answer. The AI uses the retrieved information to create a natural answer. For example, according to the company policy, employees receive 20 annual leave days. Now we will see simple office example. Imagine a new employee asks, what is the travel reimbursement policy? The manager may not remember every rule. The manager opens the company handbook. The manager reads the policy. Then the manager gives the answer. RAG works in the same way. The AI first checks the information source and then create the answer. Where RAG is used. RAG is becoming popular in many industries. First one, customer support. AI searches support documents before answering customers. Second one, company knowledge systems. Employees ask questions about internal policies. Third one, banking. AI searches financial documents and regulations. Fourth one, healthcare. AI retrieves medical guidelines and reference documents. Fifth one, education. AI searches textbooks and study materials. What is the difference between RAG and normal AI? In case of normal AI, uses only trained knowledge, may provide outdated answers, cannot access company files, limited knowledge, higher chances of incorrect answers. In case of RAG, it uses external information, can use recent information, can search documents, expanded knowledge, and provide more accurate responses. Does RAG make AI smarter? RAG does not increase intelligence. RAG gives the AI access to additional information. Imagine two teachers. One teacher answers from memory. Answers may be incomplete or less accurate. Another teacher answers after checking reference books. Answers are more complete and more accurate. RAG works like a teacher who checks the reference book before answer. What is a knowledge base? A knowledge base is a collection of information. For example, company documents, user manuals, policies, reports, product information, and training materials. ROG allows AI to search these knowledge sources. Now we will see company chatbot example. Suppose employees ask, how many leave days are available? What is the travel policy? How can medical claims be submitted? Without ROG, the AI may guess the answer. With ROG, the AI searches the company documents and gives accurate answers. What are the benefits of ROG? First one, more accurate answers. AI uses real information. Second one, up-to-date information. Recent documents can be used. Third one, company-specific knowledge. Private information can be accessed. Fourth one, reduced incorrect answers. The chance of wrong answers becomes lower. Fifth one, better user experience. Users receive more reliable information. What are the limitations of ROG? Poor documents may produce poor answers. Missing information cannot be retrieved. Slow searches may increase response time. Incorrect documents can cause incorrect answers. The quality of the information source is very important. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.